There is an AI tool that you can use to analyze all the CSV data you got. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's get into the PC. First, go to Google, then search as Jeda AI. Now, click on Jeda AI link. Then you have to click on this login button. Then you will see the dashboard here. Just click on new workspace button. Now you got your workspace. Now go to your CSV data file. Then drag it into the workspace. Now wait for the uploading. Just place the cursor on somewhere. Okay. Then you can start typing. What I'm going to ask is pending a spread across different ranges. Okay, this is my question by the way. Now I just type, right? Okay, before that I'm going to show you how you can see the data here. Okay, just click on select button and then you can double click on this file. Then you will be able to see the preview here. Okay, now I'm going to ask the question, this question, by using this one. Just double click on this and then finally you have to type slash. Okay, then you can select on data GPT here. Then you can select on the file and then just click on the run. Now you have to wait a few seconds, then it will generate something. Wow. This is the thing. Okay guys, this is what you needed, right? Just click on this. Okay, then you will be able to click on this cog icon. Now you can change the bar chart, change to bar chart, and change to line chart, and also there are so many charts that you can use. Okay, you can see that, right? Okay, by the way, here you click on this and then you can do the same thing again and again to every chart which has been generated. Now you can see the summary here. Okay, this is the summary and this is summary and this is summary. So this is perfect, right? Actually cool. By the way, you can ask many questions as you needed by using this CSV dataset. However, now I'm going to conclude this video. Please like this, comment this, and share this video with your friends. And especially, I really appreciate if you can go to my YouTube channel and then click on the subscribe button. Bye. Thank you very much.